This is an SCX video on compact SCX system. This is basically the compact tuning set, a nice figure 8 set. It comes with 2 tuning cars, your blue and your orange one. This is basically, I've got it basically set up in 2 sets just to show you quickly how the set's made. That's the figure 8. The system is basically a click and go track. This is 1/43rd scale, our smaller set. It just clicks and it's ready to go. Your guardrails are very easy to put together. Basically, you're just going to snap the 2 pieces together, or you can do the whole stretch in one big string if you want. And basically, you can start from one end of the track, and from the bottom, you're going to click this in like this, and it's just going to click all the way around. Okay? And it will just fits right in nice and neat like that. And you're going to do that all the way around your whole layout. And that keeps basically the outside car from flying off the track, okay? Now the next thing you're going to do then, you've got 3 connectors into your terminal base. This is your terminal base. It has your 2 controllers and your power outlet. Everything has a notch which it fits right into, so you don't have to worry about putting it in the wrong direction. So you got that all plugged in. You then plug your power unit into your power supply like an outlet at home. You then test which car is on the track. So we got that car on that track. You go around the track kind of slowly to make sure there's no dead pieces, but usually there isn't. The track is pretty tight and secure. Then check your other car. Make sure your other car is going around. Yep, it's going around. Outside, inside, so that basically the track is the same length and track. Once you've tested your track out, you're really ready to go to race your set, okay? Now another thing, to keep your cars clean, your guide blades, this is a brand new guide blade. You see how nice and flat it is? Now if your kids take your cars and go back and forth like this, dragging it backwards maybe, these guide blades are gonna kind of crinkle like this one. See how that's starting to crinkle? Well, that's gonna have an adverse effect on your driving, so you wanna flatten these babies out. Okay, and the good stuff to use to clean it is Goo Gone. You can get it in your detergent aisle, or you can get it at your local hobby store. Put a little bit on your finger, brush it on your guide blades on your car. That will clean out some of the grime that will collect on your brushes. Okay, after you got that cleaned out, point those down a little bit so they're flush, kind of running just the same. See how they're kind of the same angle as the guide braid or the pin itself? Put it on the track and your car will run a lot nicer. Okay, see how nice that runs? Keeping your guide braids clean will have a tremendous effect on your set. Your set will last a lot longer, okay? And make sure that when you take the set apart, that you don't go like this. Don't bend it like this. Just pull it right apart. Because if you bend it, I'm going to do it like this, but I don't want you to do this at home, is if you bend it like this, you might snap off these pins here. So always make sure, and so don't lift it up and pull it like this, or pull it apart like that either, okay? Don't do that because you can break the pin, okay, like that, okay? Don't do that. Remember, pull it apart like this. And that's basically the basic maintenance and the construction of the compact system. It's our basic set, and it's a great buy, and you'll have a lot of fun with it. Thanks, and have a great day.